Hi, my name is K. Manikanta Rishi. Welcome to Study Hours. Today my topic is animal tissues. Animal tissues. Animal tissues are of four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is made up of closely packed cells. The cells may be flat, cuboidal, or columnar. There are no intercellular spaces. Location: it forms a continuous layer over the surface of organs and inner lining of the body cavity. Functions: its main function is protection. It also helps in secretion of mucus and saliva and absorption of digested food. Types of epithelial tissues. On the basis of shape and function of cells, epithelial tissue is of four types: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and ciliated epithelium. Squamous epithelium. Cells are thin and flat. Location of squamous epithelium: it forms the lining of cavities of different organs like the mouth and esophagus. Function of squamous epithelium: it protects the underlying parts of the body from injury and prevents entry of germs. Columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium cells are long and column-like, like this picture. Location of columnar epithelium: it forms the inner lining of the stomach and small intestine. Function of columnar epithelium: its main functions are absorption of digested food in small intestine and secretion of mucus. Cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium cells are cube-like structure. Location of cuboidal epithelium: it is found in the inner lining of kidney tubules and glands like sweat gland. Function of cuboidal epithelium: it helps in excretion and absorption and secretion. Ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium cells are tall and column-like structure. They have cilia. Location of ciliated epithelium: it is found in the inner lining of the windpipe and bronchi. Bronchi means lungs. Functions of ciliated epithelium: it causes movement of particles in one direction through the ducts. Connective tissues. Connective tissue is a connecting and supporting tissue. It connects different tissues and organs. It also gives support to different organs to keep them affixed to their proper position. The cells of connective tissue are living. They have spaces between them. These spaces are filled with a gel-like substance called matrix. Connective tissue is of three types: fibrous connective tissue, supportive connective tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue are of two types: loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissues are found throughout the body. There are of two types: areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Areolar tissue. Location of areolar tissue. It is present between the skin and muscles and around blood vessels and nerves. Functions of areolar tissue. It binds the skin to other underlying organs. Do you know? Two types of fibers are present in areolar tissue: collagen fiber and elastic fiber. They give strength and elasticity to the tissue. Adipose tissue. It is made up of fat cells or adipocytes. Location of adipose tissue. It is present below the skin and between the internal organs. Function of adipose tissue. It stores energy in form of fat. It acts like a cushion and protects the internal organs. Dense connective tissue. It has more fibers than the loose connective tissue. It is of two types: tendons and ligaments. Tendon. A tendon is a flexible and inelastic structure. It is made up of fibroblasts, spindle-shaped cells, and collagen fiber. Function of tendons. It connects a muscle to bone. It helps in the movement of the bones on contraction and relaxation of muscles. Ligament. Ligament is an elastic structure. It is made up of fibroblasts and collagen fibers. Functions of ligament. It connects a bone to another bone. It helps in blending and rotation movement at a joint. Next, supportive connective tissue. Supportive connective tissue is of two types: bone and cartilage. Bone tissue. Bone is the main supportive tissue in animals with a backbone. It is a very strong, porous, and non-flexible structure. It is made up of bone cells or osteoblasts. The bone cells occupy very small spaces. They are embedded in a hard matrix. The matrix is present in the form of concentric layers around a central canal. The matrix contains salts of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They make the bone hard and rigid. Bones have a supply of blood through blood vessels. Location of bones. Bones are a part of the skeletal system. Functions of bones. Bones give a framework and definite shape to the body. They help in the movement of the body. They protect the internal organs like brain, heart, and lungs, etc. Next, cartilage. Cartilage is made up of a matrix. The matrix has a large number of spaces. These spaces have one or more cells called chondrocytes. Cartilage does not have a blood supply. It is non-porous and flexible in nature. Location of cartilage. It is found in the ear pinna, nose tip, lower end of the ribs, around the trachea and larynx, between the vertebrae and the knee joint. Functions of cartilage. It protects the bones of the joints and vertebrae from wear and tear. It gives flexibility, shape, and support to some of the body parts like the nose and ears. Next, fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue has a matrix in a fluid state. The matrix does not contain fibers. The main function of fluid connective tissue is to transport substances in the blood. It is of two types, blood and lymph. Blood. Blood is a red colored fluid. It is made up of a liquid matrix called plasma and blood cells. Plasma contains 90% of water and dissolved salts. Blood cells are of three types, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Location of blood. It flows in a blood vessel. Functions of blood. It transports nutrients and waste materials. RBCs carry oxygen to the tissue for oxidation of digested food to get energy. RBCs is nothing but red blood cells. WBCs provide protection from disease causing microorganisms. WBCs is nothing but white blood cells. Platelets help in blood clotting. Next, lymph. Lymph is a pale yellow colored fluid. It consists of plasma and white blood cells. It lacks RBCs and platelets. Function of lymph. It protects from infections. Location of lymph. It flows in the lymph vessels. Next, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue or muscle is made up of muscle cells. These cells are spindle shaped. These cells contract and relax. Thus, they help in the movement of the body parts and locomotion. Muscular tissue is of three types, voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles is also known as striated muscles. Muscles that work according to our will are called voluntary muscles. They are also called skeletal muscles. It is because they are attached to the bones and help move the body. They are also called striated muscles because they have alternate dark and light bands. Next, involuntary muscle. Involuntary muscle is also called as unstressed muscle. Muscles that do not work according to our will are called involuntary muscles. These muscles are also called unstraighted or smooth muscles because they do not have alternate dark and light bands. Next, cardiac muscles. These are special types of involuntary muscles that work continuously. They are present only in the heart. They do not get tired. They have alternate light and dark blacks. Next, nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of special elongated cells. These cells are called neurons. Neuron. A neuron is a structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It transmits message in the form of electrical signals from all the parts of the body to the brain and the spinal cord and vice versa. Structure of a neuron. A neuron is made up of a cyton, means cell body, dendrons and dendrites and axon. Cyton means a cell body. It is the main part of a nerve cell. It has a nucleus at the center and cytoplasm, dendrons and dendrites. These are short structures that arise from a cyton cell body. Cyton means a cell body. They receive signals from the axon endings of other neurons. Axon. It is a single long and cylindrical structure. It extends away from the cell body. It terminates into axon endings. It transmits electrical signals from the cyton to the axon endings. Location of axon. It is found in the brain and the spinal cord. Functions of axon. It transmits message and regulates the body functions and activities. Do you know? A bundle of nerve fibers, means axons, wrapped in a sheath of connective tissues, forms a nerve. Thank you.